Imagine stepping into a cave shrouded in darkness, where a sinister presence from the past lingers. Welcome to the Bell Witch Cave, a paranormal hotspot nestled in the heart of Adams, Tennessee. A place of terror. It's intertwined with the grim history of the Bell family, who suffered at the hands of a vengeful spirit known as the Bell Witch. This entity, so it's believed, still dwells within these eerie caverns. The Bell Witch Cave hides spine-chilling secrets that might just make your blood run cold. Dive into the gruesome past of the Bell Witch and the eerie events that unfolded over time. Our terrifying timeline begins in the early 19th century with the relentless torment of the Bell family. The witch's antics were not confined to mere mischief, rather they escalated to a level that led to the death of the family patriarch, John Bell, a chilling end to a relentless haunting. Moving forward to the mid-19th century, the witch's terrifying prophecy about the Civil War sent shivers down the spines of the local folk, but it didn't stop there. The witch also foresaw the horrors of the world wars in the 20th century, a testament to her timeless malevolence. Our timeline culminates in the late 20th century with the mysterious death of a British soldier. The soldier, who dared to remove a stone from the haunted cave, met a grisly end, adding another layer of horror to the cave's legend. These events, etched in time, continue to haunt the Bell Witch Cave, adding to its eerie reputation. As we delve deeper into the darkness, the chilling truth of the Bell Witch Cave emerges. The gruesome details of the Bell Witch incidents, from the unsettling apparitions to the blood-curdling sounds, have etched a haunting legacy. These incidents, undebunked, continue to provoke both fear and fascination. Their impact has cemented the cave's reputation as one of the most haunted places. The Bell Witch Cave, with its chilling past and unsolved mysteries, remains an eerie reminder of the dark side of history. Until next time, safe travels.